Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the charging animation on the Samsung Galaxy M35. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, animations, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Reduce Animation and wait for the search results to appear. This feature is designed to minimize certain screen effects, which can help reduce visual distractions and enhance device performance. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Reduce Animation option from the search results and tap on it. This will take you to the animation settings, where you can adjust or disable various screen effects. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the Reduce Animation option. Enabling this feature will prevent certain animations, including the charging animation, from displaying on your device. This is particularly useful if you prefer a more simplified experience, want to conserve battery life, or are sensitive to excessive screen movement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.